I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by picking how you will run Mac OS, local VM or Cloud Mac. Once chosen, enable VTX or AMD in BIOS. This permits hardware acceleration and avoids kernel panics. Next, allocate at least 4 GB RAM and 2 CPU cores so Xcode runs acceptably. Make a new VM and attach the Mac OS image. Choose apps for the virtual disk. This is the first actionable step, because without a functional Mac OS environment, you cannot run Xcode at all. Once the VM boots, finish Mac OS setup and sign in with your Apple ID so you can access the App Store and developer resources. Then download Xcode directly or copy a downloaded Xcode. Zip into the VM and extract it. This ensures you get the correct Xcode version. Install command line tools via Xcode Select, install for compilers and Git. Make sure shared folders and NAT networking are configured to transfer files, test internet, and allow simulator downloads. This is why these steps matter for a working dev. You now open Xcode, create a new project, and choose the iOS simulator or a real device using USB pass-through. Build and run to verify toolchain and simulator performance. Make sure you set signing. Add your Apple ID and preferences, create a provisioning profile, and select your team so the app can install. If something goes wrong, first check virtualization settings, enable VTX and install VM guest tools. Then verify certificates and provisioning profiles. This single troubleshooting tip resolves most common failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.